Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Happy Sunday night to you. I'm meteorologist Brian James. We have temperatures holding in a mix of low to mid 50s right now. Pretty quiet, not a whole lot going on across most of the area. And for overnight tonight, we'll drop back down as we head through the overnight hours, back to around 50. But we also have a chance for a few isolated to widely scattered showers, maybe a couple thunderstorms as well. We're going to have a couple more chances as we head through the upcoming week. So overnight tonight, there's the rain chances going through about 8 a.m. and then things quiet back down for the rest of the afternoon. So could have an impact on that trip back to work and school tomorrow morning. Probably need the umbrella. Make sure your windshield wipers are in good working order, and then we'll see things dry out for the afternoon. But we're not done with the rain chances. We have more opportunities coming as we head through this week. Radar satellite showing that gradual increase in clouds and a few spotty showers, especially back to the northwest. As the front moves in, it's going to lose some of its punch. It's going to lose some of its push of cooler air back to the west and north. That front settles in. It's going to stall out a bit, and then we'll watch another storm system come in behind this one and give us a chance for additional moisture. So here's the overall pattern. You notice kind of the winds in the middle part of the atmosphere coming in from the northwest, and that northwest flow is going to allow any storm system that drops in to give us that chance for a few showers. Plus, we do still have some low-level moisture coming in off the Gulf, so those ingredients are there for a few more showers and storms. So we go through Tuesday, a couple of areas of rain, then you see another batch develop as we head through Wednesday. Another disturbance back to the west. That moves through with another opportunity as we go through Thursday. By the end of the week, the main part of the upper low finally moves far enough away that we start to see the overall pattern begin to settle back down. But our rain chances are going to be there for Monday, mainly in the morning, and then Tuesday and Wednesday, the two best opportunities. Then as we head through the latter part of the week into the weekend, it looks like the overall rain chances will settle back down. But another week in which you do want to keep the rain gear nearby for most of this week. Normal high this time of year, 72. We're looking at mid-70s Monday and Tuesday. Dropping back low to mid-60s Wednesday and Thursday. Do warm it up a little bit Friday and Saturday. Another front comes in and we cool back down again on Sunday back into the upper 50s. So we're not just going to jump into a summer pattern where we're going to have sunny and hot weather. We're going to keep the storm track going and keep that chance for a few more showers and storms. So overnight tonight, here comes cold front number 1 with a few clusters of showers and storms. No severe weather to worry about with this either. That's going to move off to the east during the morning hours on Monday. And then things kind of quiet down as we go into Monday afternoon. A couple of stray showers possible, but not expecting a whole lot. Now watch the next batch of rain develop back to the west by Tuesday morning. That will roll in as we go through Tuesday afternoon. Some of these storms could have a little bit more kick, but again, not expecting widespread severe weather, mainly just garden variety showers and storms by Tuesday evening. Still additional showers and storms, and some of those will work back to the east as we go through the day on Wednesday. For the day Monday, the risk for severe weather, a level 1 back to the west and north of us, so not much to worry about there. As we go into Tuesday, again, not looking for much of a risk for severe weather in our neck of the woods. It'll primarily be back to the west and southwest of us. So the forecast for tonight, we're dropping back down to a mix of mid to upper 40s, few showers and thunderstorms rolling in for tonight. We'll have some morning showers and storms around tomorrow, and then mostly to partly cloudy, mid to upper 70s for a high. Quick look at the 7-day forecast calls for the rain chances to continue Tuesday and Wednesday, tapering off by the end of the week with temperatures warming by Friday and Saturday.